So the question is this. The number of बहुत interesting or easy question है, and I want all of you to answer this question correctly. The number of solutions of the equation mod x is equal to cos x is. Just try to give me the number of solutions of this equation. Just try to do it. So beta, you cannot substitute the value of k. No beta, why? Because k ही तो निकालना है ना. So it is an easier way to substitute alpha and find alpha. मतलब alpha को वहाँ डाल दो equation में. Entire equation is in terms of k and find out the value of k. उल्टा substitute भी कर सकते हो, but won't it be difficult? You will find alpha वहाँ से, and then you will have to solve again for the value of k. So if the question is asking me find k, I will always try to find alpha in terms of k, put that instead of alpha and get the entire equation in k. Okay? Any other doubt anyone has? Very, very good. For students who are saying that the answer to this question should be 2, excellent. Yes, you are correct. Let's try to see why beta. So beta, it says mod x is equal to cos x and you have to find the number of solutions to this. Now just think, when I say that I have to equate the two things. Suppose I say x plus 4 is equal to 2x minus 3. ऐसा कुछ मैं बोलती हूँ. And I tell you, find the value of x. Find x. What do you do? Ma'am, x plus 4 is equal to 2x plus 3 now. So if I ask you find the value of x, you will just go ahead and you will just equate the two equations together. So suppose I tell you that I give you one equation like this. This is the downward sloping line and I tell you the other equation is this. Just a demand supply. What do you do? When we equate demand to supply and we get the solution. Sorry. So solution means the intersection of the curves. Whenever the curves intersect, that gives me the solution. Is that clear? So in our case also beta, दो equations दी हुई हैं एक तरीके से. One is cos x, one is mod x. If I have to find the solution of this, मतलब मैं ये दोनों curves बना देती हूँ और इनका intersection check कर लेती हूँ. So if I talk about cos x, beta cos x is a curve which looks like this. If you see at cos x, cos 0 is 1. So 0 is 1. This point. Cos 1 is here. So what I have done is I have just taken different points here. 0, pi by 2, pi ऐसे ले लो, हाँ? यहाँ पे भी 0 minus pi by 2 ऐसे ले लो. So this is the curve of cos x. But then I have to make the curve of mod x. तो mod x तो ये हो गया ना? Like this. This is mod x. So what I have done is I have gone ahead and plotted mod x. Mod x is what? Very simple. Either x will be equal to y or ma'am x will be y will be equal to just give me a minute. So beta either x and y are equal to each other or we have that y will be equal to mod of minus of x. So when you put x in the negative side, then y will be minus of x. Let's say x is minus 1, then minus of minus 1 will be 1, so y will be 1 and so on. So either this is x is equal to y or y is equal to minus x. These two give me mod of x. So what I have done in this case is, I have gone ahead and I have plotted mod of x diagram. I have plotted cos x diagram and I am trying to see where the two will intersect with each other. And wherever the two intersect with each other, that is when I go ahead and I find out the equilibrium. So two intersections are coming and therefore I see that the answer to this question is going to be 2. So that's the answer to this question that we have.